Welcome to GatewayJFK. My name is Scott Graham-Lyon. I'm the Executive Director of GatewayJFK. So GatewayJFK is an industrial business improvement district located in southeast Queens, just outside of JFK Airport. It's located on a 215-acre stretch of land that runs between Baisley Boulevard and Guy R. Brewer Boulevard, largely along Rockaway Boulevard in Queens. It's a mix of businesses that include a large percentage of the air cargo industry based out of New York that work on JFK Airport, but we've got all kinds of businesses here. We've got hotels, we've got food manufacturers, we've got standard retail businesses, restaurants, and we have a large population of shelters also in the area. So one of the biggest problems that we have in this area is illegal dumping. We ended up hiring a firm to come in and work with us to do a large-scale community cleanup. So we go above and beyond what the city is providing by providing 3 days a week of street sweeping services, as well as landscaping services and security services for the district.
My name is Jacitha Jean, and I'm the operations manager here at GatewayJFK. I was drawn to GatewayJFK because I love serving and working with people. Quality of life issues are something that is extremely imperative to me, and as a Queens resident who pays taxes here, I felt that it was a great opportunity for me to come and help my community with the experience that I had. I want this area's future to look vibrant. I want this area's future to look great. But most importantly, I want it tailored to the specific needs of not only the business owners, but the residents.
We are Gateway JFK.